Here are the top 3 questions that every buyer will ask you. So the first question is about your team and the key players in the industry. You would think it's your financials and your profit, but it's not. Most buyers want to know about your team first. Who are the key players? What are the roles and responsibilities? And they want to know the day in the life of the owner. All right, so you want to make sure that you can answer all of those questions. Then the second question they're going to ask you is about the financials. They're going to ask you usually 3 to 5 years worth of financials, both in accrual, in cash, monthly financials, and WIP reports, right? And then the third question, why are you selling? All right, so you got to have great answers for that. Preparing to answer these questions succinctly and precisely will really help you and will allow the buyers to have confidence in your business when you take it to market. So if you're wondering how to prepare your business and if you're interested in taking your business to market, I'll be happy to hop on a call and discuss what's on your mind.